Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a game installation folder for Xbox Game Pass. To do this, you will need to click on your profile picture in Xbox app, go to the settings, locate the general. Right here you can find game installation options and we want to change a folder. You can also change a different driver disk. And keep in mind that it needs to be placed, this folder for installations needs to be as a first option in your disk, so you can't put it in here in program files. So we need to create a new folder right here. Then select that folder and click select folder again, and now we can see that it changes. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.